We offer wide range of fourth-axis rotary table solutions. Depending on the application requirements, we can offer standard CNC rotary table, rotary production system, multi-spindle rotary table, large bore rotary table, direct drive rotary table. Features of rotary table: pneumatic or hydraulic clamping, preloaded axial radial roller bearing, gear mechanism, motor to worm shaft, dual lead worm gear technology, higher clamping torque. Typical components of fourth-axis machined using rotary table.